10-pounder in here. Yo, this looks so good. Oh, you don't even have to cast here.
No bugs either.
Nope.
Look, that pipe's pumping out water.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Got me fit it, Trey. Pick it up. Got a bite.
No, this is a good spot. Nice. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Good one.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Nice fish. Pretty fish. Nice and light. Look at that fish.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one. Probably 2.
Look at that little set.
Nice. That's perfect.
Beautiful. Let me watch it. It's getting better than that.
Nope. Probably 2.
Oh, chunk.
Yeah, that's nice.
She ain't spawned yet. Alright, let's get another.
Splash this. Nice. Oh, dang.
Look at that, Trey.
Oh my. Yeah.
There's bait there.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get it on camera.
I didn't do that.
Oh, hooks at a little bluegill. Oh my god. That's insane. And someone starts yelling at us. Oh, look at that right there.
What was that?
That's that pipe right there. Cast on that. Oh yeah. Oh, we got one. Yeah. Oh, there's an alligator right there. I mean, it doesn't say no fishing on the signs. Oh, it does say no fishing. You got him? I'm coming. Still have him on? Oh yeah.
Pretty fish.
Oh yeah, nice.
Y'all, that's a chunk. Look at that chunk. What's in the bottom jaw? I can't believe that gator didn't come for him.
Yeah, look at that.
Beautiful fish. These fish are so light.
Yeah.
Like that Cinco.
Probably 2.5.
They ain't spawned yet. They're still full of eggs. She's full of eggs.
Yeah.
Try to let her go so the gator don't come get her. God, they're pretty fish. Pretty fish. Got him. Oh, God, it's a big fish. God.
Where did you catch him?
Right there. God, that was heavy. He was heavy. God dang it. Heavy fish. I mean, he just fucked me.
Alright, I'm just gonna drag it across the bottom really slowly.
Throw it way over there. It's all off. God, that bite was so fine. We're leaving.
I mean, you can read signs, right?
Why does it bother you so bad?
There's plastic liners ruin it.
Hey, guess what? I dug half this lake.
What's that?
I dug half this lake. That liner does nothing.
There's no fishing.
Male Karen. Male Karen. Be on YouTube tomorrow. You're being filmed. I said you'll be on YouTube tomorrow. You're being filmed.
All right, calm down. Let's get out of here.
There's always one.
Oh my God.